Hello my beautiful people, today I have 3 easy eye makeup looks so perfect for New Year's Eve, so let's do this. First look, do you guys remember a few months ago when we tried TikTok makeup hacks? We achieved that beautiful graphic liner using mascara. Yep, that's what we're going to do right now, but hear me out. We're gonna take this to the next level. Bad bitch energy. Glowing, beautiful, sparkle, diamonds, glitter. Okay, are you ready? So as you can see, I have a clean canva. I did set this with powder. Probably that was a bad idea. But I'm going to achieve that beautiful graphic liner with mascara. All you have to do is take the wand and kinda remove a little bit the product on the tip. I have a towel right here, so you kinda want to remove a little bit the product because you don't want that much product, and then you go and you just stamp it and you achieve that graphic liner, like cat eye graphic liner, whatever you want to call it. I still don't know how to call it, so cat eye it is. If you haven't watched that video, you should watch it. Let me just start here. This is my reference, okay? And then I'm going to slowly connect the dots. What dots? Whatever. As you can see, you don't need that much product on the wand. Let me go a little bit crazy because why not? And boom! You now have this beautiful avant-garde graphic wing liner, cat eye, whatever. Alrighty. Okay, that's it. That's the makeup look. That's the makeup look. If you don't want to go with diamonds, just apply mascara or do lashes if you want to. And oh my goodness, this took me less than 3 minutes, to be honest. I bought this diamond set, gemstones, whatever they are called, from Amazon. You need one of these because you have so many options in here, like different sizes, and I think I paid less than 10 euros. I don't know exactly because I bought this a while ago and I still have a lot of piedras in there, so thank me later. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, I freaking love it. Imagine with some dramatic lashes on. Yes honey, obviously they don't look identical, like it doesn't have to look identical, okay? Yeah, oh my god, so freaking beautiful. I love it. I love it. This is my favorite. I use the exact same lashes I used yesterday in the Style Diva just because I have everything here. I haven't gathered all the things. I still have them here. And on my lips, I totally see this eye makeup look with a red lip, but I personally don't want that bold red lip. I'm going to make it a little bit more nude-ish kind of, and I'm going to start with my ColourPop BFF lip liner. You already know this is my favorite. Next I'm taking the red lip liner I used yesterday, and I'm trying to achieve that ombre lip effect. I don't want to use the lipstick because it's way too creamy and I cannot control it. And trust me, this is extra creamy as well. I look crazy. Now I'm going to take a brush, even though it hurts my soul. So I'm taking a brush and slowly blend them together. I think I went crazy with this red lip liner. Let me go over again with the nude. Okay, what do we think? It's not nude, but it's not red either. I think I should apply a little bit of gloss on top. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I honestly love how this came out. Super easy to achieve. You can skip the lashes if you have beautiful long lashes, natural. But I just like, I don't know, I love the drama on my eyes, if you feel me. So Yeah, let me take some pictures and come back with a second look. Okay, listen, I tried to keep the nails on, but they don't want to stay, okay? I didn't use a nail glue because I need to prep my nails for that. I just used the little stickers that they came with. They don't want to stay, it's okay. So for the next eye makeup look, I'm going to do a very soft, completely, effortless. Oh, wow. A very soft, completely effortless, soft, how did I say that? Cut crease. I'm going to use a cool tone shade for the smokiness in there, and then again I'm going to use some glitter in my inner part. I have concealer on my lids, but for this part I suggested to use an eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base, whatever, because it helps the eyeshadow to stay longer on your lids. So again I'm going to go with my She Glam primer. Listen, this is the easiest soft cut crease you will ever see in your entire life. I'm going to use one dark eyeshadow. I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to go with this eyeshadow. I'm using a small pencil brush, but it's not that small. And I'm going to create that interesting shape. I don't know how to name it, but you see what I'm doing, right? Tap the excess because I already have makeup on my face. I don't want to get fallout. Beautiful. Next I'm going to take a clean brush and blend the edges because we don't want any harsh or sharp edges in there. Next I'm going to pick a clean brush and slowly blend the edges only, okay? Just the edges. Buff them out. If you need to go with more eyeshadow, do it. Now I'm going to go a little bit closer to the crease right here because I want a little bit of definition in there. Okay, next I'm going to cut the crease, but I'm not going to use concealer, don't worry. We're not gonna do that. I do have this liquid glitter eyeliner, so I'm going to use it. If you don't have this type of glitter, liquid glitter, but I'm sure everyone has something similar at home, use the Duraline and mix it with glitter. Then you will have your own glitter concoction mix, personalized. So I'm going to take this liner and I'm going to fake a cut crease, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. Next I'm going to take this beautiful pigment. I don't think I ever used this one, so I'm going to apply it with a flat brush. You can use whatever pigment you have at home. Next I'm going to go with a little bit of this one on top. You don't have to. If you don't have that many pigments, you don't have to. That's it. This is the makeup look. If you want to go with the same dark eyeshadow under there, do you? But because I'm going to film another eye makeup look, I'm not gonna do it, okay? For lashes, I went with Demi Wispies. Honestly, this is absolutely beautiful. I want to change the lip combo, but this will do. I just want something a little bit more nude, a little bit more basic. This flash definitely helps, but imagine being in a dim orange light. Glitter everywhere, baby, and I got that in my hair, all over my face. I honestly don't care. I honestly don't care. The more, the merrier. So I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with glitter. Diamond dust on New Year's Eve is like a must. You need to go with something sparkly, okay? Diamonds, whatever. You need to do something sparkly. I think a matte lip works much better with this look. I'm wearing the lip liner from ColourPop. I told you this is the easiest soft cut crease ever. Like ever. Thank me later. And for the third and final eye makeup look for today's video, I'm going to do a beautiful, glittery, of course, halo eye makeup look. So I'm going to use a dark brown. I think I'm going to go with this one. Use whatever eyeshadow you want. Again, I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer. I do have concealer on my lids. Concealer works just fine, but if you want your eye makeup to last longer, use an eyeshadow primer, base, whatever you have. So I'm going to create that halo effect, and as I said, I didn't say this, but take your time, okay? This is easy, it's simple, but take your time, don't rush. Top, 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 and top, top, top. Okay, next I'm going to take my clean brush and blend the edges. Of course, I'm going to enhance it because I want that deep brown shade in there. What the fuck do I know? So in the center, I'm going to go with this beautiful pressed glitter, and I know this is a pressed glitter, but I don't trust it. It's best to go with a glitter glue. I know I keep saying this, but honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. It looks so beautiful, so be careful, you don't want this glitter in your eye. It looks more orange than gold, pero ¿qué le vamos a hacer? Okay, this looks... I love it! It's so beautiful and so effortless. I'm going to go with a little bit of that eyeshadow under my eye. I don't think you understand how beautiful and glittery this is. Let me put my flash on and show you guys. Wait a second, boyfriend is calling. Yeah, the lighting doesn't make any justice to how beautiful this really is. He couldn't find brie cheese? What do you mean? I think this man doesn't know where to look for the cheese. Whatever. Alright, you beautiful people, so this is the third and final look for this video. Honestly, today I love all three looks. Wow. I know I said I'm gonna go with a little bit of glip. What's that? A little bit of gloss on top, but honestly I feel like, again, matte lips with this glittery, beautiful spotlight eye goes very well. So yeah, thank you for another year together. I honestly love you guys so much, you have no idea. Your comments make me so happy. Sometimes they just simply made my day. So thank you so much for spending your time with me, I guess. I wish this new year to bring you everything you ever wished for and hoped for, and may all of your dreams to come true. I guess I will see you next year. That sounds crazy. I don't have my nails on because they don't want to stay on my nails. Yeah, I guess I will see you guys next year. Wow, that really sounds crazy. Let me know what was your favorite look from today's video. As I said, I love them all. I cannot pick one. I just can't. So let me know what was your favorite, and Happy New Year again. Much love from my house to your house, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please, now is your perfect time to subscribe, so you can say, oh my goodness, I subscribed to you last year. Now is your time to subscribe, okay? So yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you all beautiful people next year. Bye. Happy New Year.